Basic training, the workout with Ada Janklowicz.
3, 2, good, 1, big circles, big range of motion.
3.
Last time, 2, take it down to chest level. Press it, 1, 2, 3, in cadence.
1,
1, 2, 3, lift on 4. This is 1, 2, tight to the buttocks.
3.
Good, 1, goes out. Now bend into that thigh, so you keep using it. 4, 3, punch, chest level, go. Bring up, I can feel it. Bringing it down to 4 and sharing it. 1, 2, 3, Sue, this is yours. Which chest is 1, 2. Good. Press, press, 4 more. 1, here comes 2, press it 3, 4. Sit down, pelvis tight, down, lift, down, tight, down, press it, come on, press, down, tight, down. Way over your head. You're lifting in the shoulders and not rolling. Good. 4, 3, slow it down, add a knee. Up, down, up, down. Now lift, inhale, and relax it. Good. Drop the arm to the floor and drop your hip to the floor by rotating it. And you're looking back once again. Good job. Bring it back in. Arm, take it down, pull down on it gently, stretching the shoulder, take a deep breath. Taking all that fresh air and tricep stretching back. Reach it gently. And you did a great job, and remember what we said before, get enough rest and the right diet and you're in business.